How to monetize TikTok account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to monetize your TikTok account. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just head over to your profile section, and if you haven't already, just make sure you have enabled your business account or switch to business account if you are still on your personal account. So to do that, just head over to this hamburger icon at the top right corner from your profile and simply click on settings and privacy and just click on account. And here you should see switch to business account. As you can see, I've already switched to business account, so it's showing me instead that is switch to personal account. So once you do all of that, next thing what you need to do is just come over to your profile section once again and just tap on this hamburger icon, and you should see the option that is TikTok Studio. And from over here, you will be seeing all of your TikTok analytics. You can see there is a monetization option over here. So you can earn through like TikTok creator fund or rewards program like brand partnerships or sponsored content or affiliate marketing, or by selling products or services to different clients from TikTok, or you can simply go with the live on your TikTok to reach certain amounts, but make sure to remember that you need certain amounts of followers to monetize, as the exact requirements can vary according to the different regions. So you can also earn through the subscription, like by building your community with the subscription and getting paid every amount per month. And to do that, you will have to have at least 10,000 followers and have to have at least 1,000 followers and have live access, or have at least 10,000 followers and have at least 100,000 video views in the last calendar month. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.